Okay, everybody, let's dive into this controversial felony. This is a strict liability felony, statutory rape. Let's get into the definition of it. The definition of statutory rape is a male defendant of age of majority, 18 years old or above, has sexual intercourse with a female victim under the age of majority, basically below the age of 18, as you can see there. So it does not matter whether the sex was consensual or not. As you can see on the board, I wrote it down. Consensual sex does not matter here. Whether it's consensual or not, the male defendant who is 18 years old or above will be liable for that felony. Do I think that's fair? The answer is no. However, that's just the law. It's a strict liability felony. Moreover, which I think is even more unfair, however, it's just the law. I didn't make it, just the law. That it does not matter whether the defendant knew the victim was under the age of majority. It doesn't matter here. Even if the victim lies. Let me give you an example. Let's just say that Daniel Smith talks to a woman named Julia Leslie. Daniel is 21 years old. And he talks to a woman named Julia Leslie who is 16 years old. And they hit it off on a date. And she lies to him and tells him that I am 20 years old, right? Above the age of majority, right? 20 is obviously above the age of majority. And they have sexual intercourse that night. Right? He's a male defendant. She's a female. And because she's 16 years old, she's truly 16 years old, not 20, she'll be a female victim in this case. Because again, she's under the age of majority. And it does not matter whether the defendant had knowledge of Julia's age. He will still be liable. Although he knew, although he thought in his mind, I meant to say, that she is 20 years old, not 16. Again, he'll be strictly liable. This is a strictly liable situation where the defendant will be liable to statutory rape. And this felony was designed in order to protect women from having sexual intercourse or getting raped by men over the age of majority. So again, I think this is a just and a great felony if it's a situation where the defendant had sex with a woman underage who did not consent to it, and it's just designed to protect her. I comprehend why this felony is as strict as it is. However, I find it a little unfair if the sex was consensual and the woman lied to the defendant that her age was under the age of majority. However, that's just the law. So comment below if you have any questions. It's a very straightforward felony. And see you again next time.